Guys, I have sent you a couple of mails just now. Sorry, a mail which contains source file, which is CSV file, which I'm going to use as a data, for practicing our regular sessions. That is one CSV file. Second one is the solution of yesterday's class. I have given you the commands over the mail. I have shared them, but on top of it, I'm giving the solution itself. The solution of Databricks is nothing but .dbc. That is a format. That dbc can be used. No, just you can import and then you can practice just like that. I will try to attach on regular basis Databricks solution itself, whatever I practice over the class. So why it is useful? .dbc. .dbc is nothing but the notebook itself. Now the notebook will be compressed into .dbc file, and then I'm giving it to you. You can use the dbc file just right import into your Databricks. You can start using it. Hope I make sense. I'll tell you how to access dbc file. I think it's working, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a backup mail. Uh-huh.
Actually, I tried, creating this. I mean, like, I Googled out like without credit card, there was some, process. So I tried that, but it's not working.
Uh-huh. What happened to credit card?
Yeah, it's done. I just added it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, fine. Ayappa, you're on and off due to some network, I think so.
No. Yes. Regarding, I was having some issues with the network, so I rejoined once again. Yeah, this is about the
Okay.
creation of the Azure account, right?
Yeah. Have you created that?
Yeah. No. I am familiar with that. I will try it later.
Okay, sure. So today's classes, yesterday you haven't joined, right?
No, I haven't joined, but I asked the admin for the this. I asked the team
Video.
for the recording also, but did not see any recording there. They are facing
Oh,
issues
uh-huh.
with uploading the recording. They will upload it by
Uh-huh.
today, I think.
Okay.
So
So today's
Mutila,
class is
actually recording was
simply for.
available at 7 p.m. So recording is available, but it was uploaded at 7 p.m.
Okay. Okay, Yogesh. So Mutyala, so I can call you Mutyala or Ayappa, which is fine for you.
Ayappa is fine, Venkat.
Okay, Ayappa, what I was saying is you can follow today's class, which is nothing but yesterday's class. We are
Yes.
trying to see in practically. I am allowing our folks to log in themselves into Azure portal, creating a Databricks account. On top of it, they are going to practice it today. That is the agenda for today's class. You may follow. Okay, although you are familiar with the Azure portal, you can create it. End of the class, maybe you can practice. Uh, what we have covered yesterday is the same we are going to see today also, but practically. Although it is going to take some
Yeah.
time, it is mandatory for us to get entered into the portal at least. Otherwise, no use of going there.
Okay, Venkat.
I have shared source file also, which I have used yesterday, and the dbc file also I have shared .dbc file. Why it is used is whenever you want to share your notebook to someone else within your team, or upgrade this. I mean, deploy this notebook into somewhere else in other environments, other workspaces, production, staging, wherever it is. So you export this current notebook into a dbc file. Same can be imported into other workspaces. That is agenda of that's the purpose of .dbc. .dbc is
Okay,
nothing but
is
database
it
file.
a file format or what?
No, .dbc like XLS, right? Databricks file format is
Okay,
.dbc. So can be
okay,
exported.
okay, got it.
The one we wanted to bring into other environment, right? Other workspace, export it from the current
Hmm.
workspace and import it into the desired workspace. Nothing else.
Hmm. Venkat, what is the purpose of SIT environment?
SIT.
I think this. Yes, yes.
Actually, workspaces here. SIT, test, UAT, QA.
Hmm.
It's all different purpose. People mentality actually. In my team, we are using SIT. I mean, SIT are staging itself to perform all the development as well as user validation one place itself. It's all about you. But it is not a best practice. SIT also same. It's like a QA and UAT itself in a developer point of view.
Okay.
But the purpose will context will differ from project to project for sure.
Venkat, I'm in getting
Yep,
this
sir.
like,
Okay, do one
when
thing.
I'm. Uh-huh.
Identity live.com does not exist in tenant. You cannot access application. So in the tenant, the account needs to be added in external user in the tenant first. Sign out and sign in again with a different Azure Active Directory user account. Okay, do one thing.
Yeah.
You may take you're using Google Chrome browser. Take a
Yeah.
incognito window. I think some authentication issues coming in picture.
I think it is an incognito only. Even I tried
Um,
the same error
Incognito. It is
previously.
better to try it in normal window.
no, the error what is facing, right? User account is from identifier provider live.com does not exist in tenant. You may try the same with some closing this window completely, signing out. First of all, you need to sign out. Nothing is
Okay.
signed in as of now, right? You're not signed in also.
No, this
Okay.
is just an Outlook account.
Wait. What is this? You close this window completely. Close this window
Okay.
completely, and take a new incognito window.
When I was using that sandbox account, right, like for free login, so then also I was getting that.
Okay. Any logins here already available?
Just clear the browser.
Sure. Any logins already present in this browser now?
I don't think so. No.
No Gmail logins or something, right? Okay. Yeah. Go. Good to go.
Yeah, Gmail logins are there. But,
Gmail login. Yeah. That's what it's gonna confuse. Here, yeah. Incognito
okay.
window will make sure. Yeah. Now you can type portal.azure.com. Create Azure account. Azure portal account. Trial. Vishal? Vishal, are you there?
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible now only. Sharing screen, Vishal. Probably, um, Ayappa, you can also log into portal. If you're having problem, we can sort out. Yeah, yes, I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
see
it's
your
not.
screen. You can log in now, please. You already created the account, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's there.
Okay.
I think now it is.
I think.
I think now it is loading, I guess. So again, it's asking.
Okay. You already created a account has been created completely
No, it was. I think.
halfway through. It was not completed,
Yeah,
right? If you
yeah.
are very sure it is completed, you may directly log into portal.azure.com. If you are not confident, you may create it one more time.
Let me check.
Yeah, it's better to try a login and see.
I think it has
See,
created, I guess.
yeah, it has created. Now click on the Outlook, the avatar account, right? Avatar icon. Just click on that avatar. See how many credits has been added.
Okay.
Okay, click on Start. There is Start, right? It is not showing. Yeah, click on Start. Start with Azure free trial.
Okay.
Yeah, try Azure for free.
Okay.
It is not created actually. Again, you're going to
Then
follow the same setup. Same setup you need to follow. You just logged in. It is allowing you to, since it is Outlook account, it is taking for granted. It has shown you logged into that, but your free account, you need to enable it with this procedure again.
okay, let me do that.
If it is now or not working, definitely you can try with Gmail.
Probably.
With using Gmail also, it will other email ID, but there is a confusion. It seems some synchronization
Okay.
issue from the portal side. That's why your identity is not recognized by Microsoft actually, so it is not allowing you. But if it is the case, you know the procedure now. You try with other Gmail ID or something, so it will work for sure. So if you are not able to connect right, you can make a separate call to me after the
No.
class. I'll continue post class. We both can discuss,
Mm-hmm.
together one to one. So because
Yeah.
we are taking much time, right? I will take it
Yeah.
up, with
Yep.
separately with you, guys.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, Suraj, right? Who has already logged into account? Sir, Suraj, please share your screen.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Vishal, you can contact me later,
Okay.
okay? Vishal or
Yeah. Sure.
whoever
Sure.
has issue, we'll continue and we'll try to set up your account if you're having issue. You may give try. After some time also, you
Yeah.
can contact me. I'll be able to join the same call itself.
Sure. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
You take
Okay.
half an hour time, 1 hour time. You practice it. Maybe around 11 o'clock, you can give a call to me. I will join the same call. You keep a message in the group, okay? For everybody's sake, so that everyone will join who has portal issues.
Mm-hmm.
We'll sort it
Yeah.
out because creating account itself first job. Suraj, please share your screen. Are you the presenter?
Yeah, yeah, I'm sharing. Is it visible?
No, sir. Please go to
No?
change your window. I don't know someone's screen I'm seeing.
Is it okay?
Yeah, please change the window. Are you sharing only single window or entire screen? Yeah, I can
No,
able
no,
to
no.
see your screen. Okay.
I'm sharing in
So
the screen.
go to home account. Go to home portal home. Okay, guys, follow here very strictly. Please go to home. See, for practicing SQL, PySpark, Databricks, you need two things. One is Azure portal. Second one is Databricks account, and third one is also there. That is storage account. Three things are required. Portal account you are going to create now. Once you created the portal account, free account, next job is Go to storage account, create a storage account for you yourself. Okay, please go to storage account, sir. Type storage account in the search box. Follow the procedure, guys. Okay, just you can type storage account. No, just search box itself. Okay, fine. Anyway, it's fine. Do you see storage account? Yeah, there. Blob storage. Yeah. Yes, that one you can choose.
This
Second
one.
one. Yeah. 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 Choose it. Create. Okay. Now you are trying to create your own storage account after Azure portal account. The next job. Okay. Now you are choosing the subscription as free trial. Okay. And then you are creating a resource group. So resource group should be, some minimal letter. That's okay. You can use that much big also. It's not an issue.
Right.
Now storage account name. Yeah, that is good. Now storage account name. Put it like yeah, storage. Some storage ADE 786 something random numbers you try to keep, because it will always ask for the uniqueness. Yeah, this is valid. Now we are good to go. Choose the region. Okay,
Region.
now it's fine. It's fine. You can leave it. When I always choose UK South, which is most comfortable to me.
Okay.
UK South,
So
but US
earlier I
East US
created,
also.
no,
Sorry,
I chose, I mean, earlier I created the storage account. I chose this West India.
it's
Is
fine.
that
Anything you
fine?
can choose. It's anything is
Okay.
fine. But that should be available. That should be frequently accessible, like a faster. I mean, if you are choosing far away region, it will take a lot of time for you. Billing also will become more. Review and
Venkat,
create.
one doubt.
Yeah,
The billing is different for every region or the same for
correct. No, it is for prime regions will be costlier. If you are from India, you are trying to access UK South or US East or US South, it will be more chargeable. You have to use Asia itself. If your service what you are trying to create, it is far away, that is not available within your region, then you need to go for other your region. You got it right?
yeah, got it. In India, it is based on the data center or the regions. We have all two or three regions in
Region
India,
based.
right?
Region.
O-
Data center
Okay,
is,
on
within their convenience, how the requests has to be happen, services has to offering, right? They are creating multiple data
hmm.
centers, but that is for their purpose. But region is only matters for us in terms of billing.
Okay, in India, we can use US East and US West and South India, right?
Anything. But
Okay,
provided the region you are choosing, that should allow your storage account. I mean the service what I'm trying to create. Not only storage account, any service, Databricks, Data Factory, anything. Yeah, review and create.
okay,
As you might be knowing, we will not be know all these things in the real time, sir, because someone platform team review and create, sir. Suraj, you can create. Keep
Sir,
remember
we have
this
to
name what you have given. Okay, yeah.
Venkat sir, we
Remember
have to
this name.
select region. US only.
Anything is fine. I choose UK South because I never had issues last 5 years.
Okay.
It's creating. Okay, deployment is progress. It has created. I'm done. Remember this name. Okay, storage create storage ADE 505 something. Okay. Okay, it has created. You can nothing to do with this. You can just ignore it. You can come to home page, sir. It will be done in 1 or 2 minutes. So go to Azure Databricks. Looks like you already created it, right? So
Yes.
now next
Very
job
soon.
is that storage account. You can log in, please. Now go to resource. Right hand side you had a reminder, right? Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Now you go to now inside the storage account. Create a container. Keep a source file there to play around it. Yeah. Create a storage account. Yeah, container you need to create. Give a name, any random name. This does not have naming convention problem. You can give actually if you follow the naming convention rules is fine, but duplication is not that much problematic here. Yeah, click OK. Nothing. You can ignore them. No need to bother about those. Yeah, you got it. Your storage account. Now inside the container, you got storage account. You got container. Inside the container, you need to keep some folders and some files. Click on that and upload a file. There is an upload a file option, right? On top. Try to get the
Yes.
CSV file which I sent it to you just now. CSV file or Excel file, whatever, Parquet file, your wish. How you wanted to practice it. I already sent you the file. If you're not downloaded, you can download. Maybe you can log into your Gmail. I already sent you. Yeah, you can pick up the file. Yes, access it.
Upload. Right.
Yeah, while uploading, if you wanted to keep it in a particular folder, you can click on advanced options. Keep a name for your folder also. Inside the folder, say storage account, underneath container, underneath folder, underneath file. Files, not only files, multiple folders also, multiple containers also, multiple storage accounts also in real time. It's all about you where your desired file is kept available. You need to go and pick it up. Okay, click upload. You're good to go.
Venkat, one doubt. Like
Yeah.
ADF, we create one folder for input and one folder for output, right?
Yes. Here
Like
also we supposed to do,
Databricks
but
also
we
we
are
need
not.
to create the same.
Actually, here what we are doing is we are practicing SQL and PySpark. I have data. I want to do count of no salary or employees. So do you need target here? You are not going to upload anywhere. You can
Mm.
upload. That we will see when we are actually talking about Databricks. For now, we'll practice the SQL. We'll get our hands dirty in terms of PySpark and SQL. That is my intention. So we are not creating target and all. We can create it, no problem. We can store this data. I will tell you how to write the data on top of the storage account. I'll tell you later point. While taking
Oh,
the PySpark, we are going to see that command. For now, my
okay.
intention is so just to practice SQL on top of Databricks. Okay, now your file is ready, sir. Okay, now please go to Databricks. Just go and see if file is uploaded or not correctly.
Yes, it's here.
I'm good. Please go to Databricks. Go to Home. Home. Click on Home and navigate to Databricks. If you already created your Databricks, well and good. If you are not created, now you can create it. Have you created it already? So,
Yes, yes, yes.
guys, what do you say? Can we ask Soros to create a Databricks account, or you will be able to manage to create by yourself? What is your choice?
It's better if we create a new one because we are not sure what will be the.
Okay, sir, Suraj, you may delete and create it, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry for troubling you,
So,
Suresh.
Yeah, no
no,
problem. No,
no issue.
nothing.
Hi,
I'll also
thanks.
get some hands on.
Yeah,
Okay.
that,
I'll delete from here, right?
Yeah, no. Yeah, there is, yeah, there are three dots, right? Yeah, you can delete there also. Yeah, click on it.
Okay.
Or else you leave this. You create another storage, Databricks account also. But make sure
Okay.
you delete end of the course because your free credits will go off in vain.
Sure.
Sorry. Create
So,
Databricks.
Fabrics. So this first one, right?
Find out. No. Yeah, first one. Yeah, true. So this is Azure service, which means Azure will maintain this service, but some service like a hosting purpose, like a let's say just example, MySQL, it may not be direct offering from Azure. You may have to, follow the same steps, sir. Just select and then workspace name, try to give a unique, okay, just random numbers. In real time also, they keep their project names, how they create workspace name, right? Databricks hyphen project name hyphen environment stage or production or 01 something underscore something. They'll keep the naming convention such a way to make it very much unique. Actually, this region it will automatically show you. This region it will automatically suggest you, but any point of time we can be able to trip to other regions as well. Yeah, pricing tier.
Yeah.
Better not to go with premium because your grades will be so much fastly ended up. Because for
Yeah.
practicing SQL PySpark, standard is enough. Standard is also almost equivalent to premium, but very less features will
Okay.
not be available like SQL editor and Unity catalog. Those are the two options will not be available because we are not practicing to that level now. For now, you
Mhm.
can always tend to go for standard. Click next.
Okay.
Click next. Go with default options only. Don't spend much time, please, because we don't need to. We already discussed about all those next tabs and all. Yeah, all this has been discussed. We can simply ignore all of them. Directly,
So,
we can go for
Venkat,
entry.
if we are creating a storage on South India, is it something
Mm.
like Databricks also have to be created in South India itself, or it can
Nothing
be
like
West
that. No, no,
India?
no, 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 no,
We
no,
can
no.
create it
Need
from
not to be
anywhere,
in the
right?
same region. Yeah, need
Mm.
not to be. But if it is better to create on the same region because latency
Yeah,
will be
it
reduced.
will be.
Latency,
Mm. Yes, yes, got it.
but need not to be. It will work.
Mm.
Now Databricks is getting ready. So next step is we need to make a cluster readily available to perform our asks. Why we need cluster? See, Databricks is a tool wherein it does not have processor or in the engine. Engine cannot be available just like that in Databricks. Now Databricks alone is created. Please go to Databricks, sir. That might have got created now by now. What is the name you given?
I'll
This is the
go
one,
to the
no?
existing one. Maybe.
Okay, as your convenience. Yeah. So he is launching since he has created just now and already another instance also created. He's trying to launch it. Existing instance already you deleted, no? Is it going to work? You try to launch
No,
it.
I didn't
We'll see.
delete it
Oh,
there.
good, good, good. Click on launch. End of your practice. Always don't forget to clean up your services whatever you have created. So this is
Yeah.
validating, authenticating. Okay. Now this is what Databricks. So put it in organized manner. Created storage account. Created portal account. Created storage account. Uploaded a source file. And then created a Databricks account. Now we are going to create a cluster. Cluster is required for processing, that is a Spark engine. So which can be created under compute. Now Suraj is trying to create a compute. So this compute is required. The code, the SQL what you are writing, when you wanted to execute them, you need a cluster. For that is creating. For now, don't focus on these parameters. What has to be chosen? If I choose what will happen? That and all will be discussed later point. Separate session when we are dealing with Databricks. For now, we created basic one with the available default options. Don't focus much on this. Just go ahead to create it. Click on create, sir.
Venkat, did the recording has been started?
Yeah, it has been started.
Okay.
It's ongoing now. I will we will discuss in detail about types of clusters are there. Each one has each option available here will have specific purpose. And then if I choose these options, what is going to be my billing? Billing will be decided based on your cluster only. So in the right hand side summary will be there, no? Here it will show per hour how much it is going to cost at a sharp basis. Yeah, that area. Is it created? Yeah, it is still running. You may go to
It's
let it
running.
get run. Yeah, it will let it get run. Let it get run. So meanwhile, we go and create a notebook freshly. So we create notebooks within our workspace, designated workspace, which is nothing but you already inside it actually. So just for navigation purpose, clear. Yeah, check the go inside the workspace, find your email ID, or in real time it will be your name also will be there, because we are not properly configuring our our accounts. It's showing email ID itself, but in real time it will show the name, user, first name, last name, something like that. We are not going in that much level. Profile has to be properly configured. That is the main difference. So create a new notebook. Right hand side you have a notebook create option. Click on it, create a notebook. So this is where we are going to practice our SQL queries with the help of the cluster what you have created just now. So this notebook can be put it in a proper manner. Notebook name. Just keep your mouse there, type in, feed your notebook name. No,
Sorry.
no. Uh, on the top you have untitled notebook 2024, right? So always have a practice of making a proper naming conventions for your notebook. Okay. Yeah. My ADE notebook. Okay. Now this is what the window where we are going to run our commands. So this is nothing but blocks we call it is. You can add multiple blocks here. Down to that you see code, right? Plus code. If you hover your mouse, yeah, it is enabling, right? Yeah, here you can be able to type your code. How many hour blocks you want, you can write your own blocks. Order of the execution, right? On top you have run all you see, right? Run all. Next to connect schedule on the top right hand side. Yeah, if you click on run all the blocks will run one after other from the starting to ending of this notebook. In a sequential order it will run. So if you want to run specific block, there is a play button for the each block. Yeah, there you can run your specific command. And if you want to run above command also, there is a, you see, right, run all above. Other than this block, current block, if you want to run all the above blocks, yes, it is available, run all above. Other than this block, you want to run all the commands below, you can run below. Run all below means all the blocks available down to that only will run, not the current block also. You are clear, right? And then now it is time, we are going to connect to our the cluster. This notebook, if at all I want to run any commands over this, I need to choose the cluster. Cluster is not started already. You just see Suraj Kote cluster is somewhat grayed out because it is not started. You need to attach to this notebook and get it ready. Click on it. Click on it. Yeah, it is connecting. You see, right? It is connecting. It will take 1 or 2 minutes, sometimes more minutes also, more time also. Once it's shown green, you're good to go. Start creating your notebooks. Sorry, our blocks. Now next step is your notebook you are trying to create by attaching to a cluster which is already available. Imagine it is the cluster is already available. Now you need to make a connection to your source file. You need to make a connection to your source file. For that, what you need to do, go to your Gmail, and I have given you the commands. Okay, how I have given you the commands where you can copy paste that piece of code and do it. If you are not sure, if you don't want to follow my running notes, there was something has given to you, running notes. Correct, class 7 running notes. So first command, second command you need to do. So if you don't want to follow my commands, right, what you can do is, always Databricks and Azure as combined, they provided a lot of good materials for us how to make a connection to storage account. You can Google it also. Commands will be here and there, same, only you need to understand. Okay, now we are going to understand, or we can copy paste the commands. So how we can browse the website, that link also I already given to you. Yesterday I have given a link to you. I have given you the link, sir, already. That link you can click on it.
Okay.
There are 3 ways to make a connection to your storage account file available. One is access keys. Second one is SAS tokens. Third one is service principal. These are the 3 ways. Each methodology has its own purpose as I told you, as a best practice, in real time, we are going to use service principal, which will take a lot of time. That's the reason I have chosen only access keys for now. But I'm going to teach you, we are going to discuss remaining two methodologies as well. We are going to use either of this way. For now, we use account access keys just to start with Databricks. So service principal will take a lot of time. Understanding is also difficult. So let us take it while we discuss Databricks concepts. Okay, this same we are going to use the syntax. Rather than the syntax, you can just follow the command what is given there. You can go to my command.
Okay.
The command which I given in the Gmail. Suraj?
This first one.
Yeah,
First one,
first
right?
one. Yeah, copy paste.
Okay.
Or else one after other we can type. Yeah, better. Yeah. Now what we are doing is making a connection to a storage account and a container inside that folder and file. We are trying to access the file. We are making a connection to storage account. That is the process we are following. So now, hang on please. Just hang on please, 1 second. So spark.config. So through Spark only, you are making a Spark engine available, right? So we need to make the configuration Spark configuration. Okay, spark.config.set, right, is a command we using. So fs.azure.account key, so which is nothing but fs.azure.account key is nothing but it's a command we need to follow. It's a pattern we need to follow so that system will understand you are trying to access a storage account through an access key or account key. Okay, so storage account, you see, right, storage training ADE 456, that was my storage account name. In place of it, you can go and pick up your storage account which you have already just created today itself. You can navigate to storage account, copy paste your storage account to here. Sir, better you copy paste. I mean, it may tend to some mistake.
Yes.
Yeah. Go to storage accounts. Which storage account you want to access? No, not this way. Better. No. Please go there.
Okay.
Type storage accounts. Go to portal. Go to portal. Now go to home. Go to home.
Is it my screen lagging? 'Cause I'm actually in storage account.
I think so. Lagging. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, it is lagging, sir. That's right. Yeah, there is a latency. Okay. Copy that. This is a storage account you are choosing. But are you sure this is a place we kept the full file? Yes. Yeah, I do remember. 505 is our name you given. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Now copy this. Copy this and carefully you replace my storage account with this. Yeah, you already replaced. DFS is nothing but
Yep.
this is a pattern actually. DFS core.y windows. So it's a that is how system will understand. You need to use this actually core.windows.net. It's a domain. So we are trying to connect. So that's how this tool is designed. So now we are going to keep the access key. What do you mean by access key? Okay, you are trying to connect my storage account. Storage account is available within Azure portal, but within the same subscription. But what about the authentication? Who will give authentication? See, there will be a lot of storage accounts to this Databricks workspace. When you want to connect, make a connection, right? Storage account, you should tell a password, right? That password is nothing but go to storage account, copy your access key, and put it inside the double quotations where it is available. So now you can go to security and there will be some option. I'm not seeing your screen clearly.
Venkat, it's the
Security
type of file permission, right?
permission.
To
Yeah, true,
access
true.
that file.
No, not a file at the storage account level permission.
Okay, I think it will ask some day. We need to give some days access only, right? By SAS,
That
I
cannot be
can.
done through account keys. This is a basic level. I told it Three types of methodologies. Three types of methodologies. One is access keys. Second one is service principal. Third one is what is it? SAS tokens. What you are telling
Yeah.
is SAS tokens. This is
Mm.
account access keys. It will not ask you those many details. Yes, he has copied correctly. I think so. Yeah, your cluster is still working, sir. It is trying to load.
Yeah.
Once it is, you can go and see the status, health status of your cluster. Go to compute.
It's showing terminated.
Okay. Operation could not be completed as result exceeding approval. Total regional crores quota. Additional details. Deployment mode. Yeah, this cluster is not accepted by West India.
Okay.
That's why I always tend to use UK South for trialing purpose. It's always best region actually.
So
The
can we
cluster
edit
is
this?
not getting created. Let us create one more time. Give a try. Uh, Go there. Compute. Now it says warning message, right? What it says? The same error message. Huh? You can give hitting Azure
Yeah.
quota limits. Operation could not be completed as it result in exceeding approval. Total region course quota. Deployment mode, additional West India, current usage 0, maximum. Okay, the configuration is too high. Or else you have another workspace created, no? There your cluster
Yes.
is check whether it can be accessible through UK South. No, this also we'll edit the configuration. What it says is high-end configuration you are taking for trial purpose. They are not allowing you. Take a basic one. Edit this. So there is three dots right in the right hand side. You delete this. Delete. You create a new one. We'll choose the basic operations. Okay, we'll choose single user. Okay, single user, multi-user, two types of modes will be there. You choose single mode. Single user is fine. Runtime will be 15.4 and single user you are allowing. Use for photon acceleration. So uncheck that, and from the drop down option of node type is very important. Choose the lowest version, not the high end. Hey, none of these are available for that region.
So
You see?
which one is lowest?
No, yeah, it is allowed standard something. Say down you, it is allowing you something. Choose them. You are choosing D4 version actually. Node type is high level. You are choosing high end. In real time also they use that much. So that is why it is not allowing you. Standard D1. What is the? Highest version is enabled for you. Go up, please. D3. You can choose D3. D4 is not allowed. Last time you chosen the default options. No, it is not allowing you. Mine is
D3.
premium version
This
itself.
one?
I don't have any issues. Yeah, D3. Yeah, that one. So mine is a premium version itself. I don't have any issues. Since you are trying with the trial version, it is not allowing you to create all this.
Create.
Yeah. Lot of restrictions actually depends on the region. Lot of restrictions will be imposed
Yeah. There are
while
too many
creating next time, right?
configurations.
Yeah, while creating next time, right? Databricks always go for UK South. That is the best option. What I have seen, at least. Go to compute whether it is started or not. We'll see the health status there itself. Okay, still it is getting started.
Yeah, and until it's getting loaded, I was checking this thing today while creating. So it was showing this. So
Sure, sure.
about Databricks.
Hmm. Please go there now.
It's still creating. Is it something related to my network? Or
No, no, no. It is not at all network. Once you hit on it, right, it is going to
Mhm.
use, the Azure portal itself. Based on your cluster configuration, it will actually show you. It will that much faster it will take. If the configuration is higher, like your
Right.
laptop will take high-end configuration. Laptop will take reboot very faster, right? The same way here also. It's not regarding to your network.
So once I send the signal, it's up to the Azure only. I'll do that.
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. Based on your configuration, it will start slowly.
Venkat sir,
Yeah, yeah.
yes, I'm also facing the same issue.
Cluster issue.
Yes.
Which region you chosen?
Uh, South India, Asia,
Oh,
South
it
India.
has shown. It has shown some issue actually.
So can we edit that now?
Um, in the portal, you try to see region can be changed in the properties, or else you create delete the Databricks and create fresh. Databricks is costlier than Data Factory and storage account and all those. Synapse also less cost. So Databricks always have these complications. Mine is
Databricks
premium
and
or yeah, sorry.
yeah. So Databricks and Data Factories, we use for similar purpose, right? It's just that
Uh,
different platforms.
Ashok, you asked me right. Ashok, you asked me right. While creating Databricks new instance, create with premium. Don't go with standard. Ashok, I'm sorry. Ashok, you asked me a doubt, right? You are also facing the same problem. Better to create.
Yeah, Venkat, actually, I was facing the same problem, but I got some call in the middle. I just missed it. I will just
Oh,
follow
okay,
the
okay.
this one and I will
Sure, sure.
catch up.
So what
Yeah.
I'm saying is create a
Hmm.
Databricks with
Hmm.
premium. It will allow all the
Oh,
options.
okay.
Mostly it will
Hmm.
allow, but credits will go up faster.
Okay. Anyways, we will
It's like
delete it right after the class. And
yeah,
I will try to create with the premium. I will go
yeah,
through
yeah,
the
yeah.
recording and I will try to create it. Yeah.
Sure, sure. Okay.
Thanks.
So meanwhile, Yogesh, uh, who has problem? Ayappa, right?
I,
Ayappa, you are able to set up your account.
No, no, no. I will try it after the class. Cut.
Who has issue?
Now I can't. I was
Like
facing some network issue.
okay, okay. Yogesh has
so
having problem,
yes,
right? Yogesh,
yes, I have the same issue. Yeah.
Vishal was having some problem creating the account.
Yeah, I've been getting this, like you're not eligible for Azure free account.
So please try with some other Gmail account.
Yeah, even I tried with Gmail and with other Outlook
What it says?
account. You're not eligible for Azure free account. It's asking to sign up as you go, pay as you go.
Pay as you go. You haven't used your credit limits, no, so far. Why is it telling?
No,
Have you ever logged into
no,
Azure portal?
right.
Have you already you logged in?
No, I haven't logged in. I'm just trying to log in. So when
Uh-huh.
setting up the account itself, it's saying like you're not eligible for Azure free account. But I'm using
Okay.
the debit card to, uh,
I think credit card is required. Debit card is not required. They won't accept
okay.
with the debit card. Credit card only they will accept. And they will send a, 1 rupee they'll charge also. That setup has asked for you. Trial amount, 1 rupee they'll charge. They'll reverse the same also tomorrow. Suraj, as a task for you as well, credit card authentication.
Yes. And but I mean, just to inform, like I also faced the same kind of issue. Even I provided first time the credit card, and it shows that you are not eligible. It shows you are not eligible, and I think I clicked on some kind of support or something. But till I mean, after that point, after maybe 15 or a month, I'm just now logging with the same account, and it's I mean, I was able to log into it. I don't know what happened in between, but I was able to.
After one
I
month.
just remember that yeah, I mean, I tried before 15 days or a month. I was not able to log in it. The same issue, like you are not eligible, even after providing the credit cards and all. And I just remember that I did something, clicking some support or raise some support request, and then I mean, yesterday I tried to log in and I was able to log in to the same account. So maybe
Oh,
something that
no,
is
if you are
there.
after 1 month you are trying to log in, it is a problem for you. Surely I'm telling you because it is going to charge. You are entered into pay as you go option.
No,
Okay.
I
I will
checked
do
with
one
the
thing.
only.
See, I will do one thing. I will see. I will share my screen. I will create a new account. Okay, if you want.
Venkat, I just joined back. My machine got like restarted.
Sure,
So
Vishal.
yeah.
Suraj, I would say you delete the instance, or else you leave this, account, Databricks, create a new Databricks account with,
Okay,
premium option, and then choose UK Soft. It should work.
so let's close these things first. Okay.
Yeah.
Venkat, just a doubt, right? Like the accounts which we created before, it
Mm-hmm.
also says like you're not eligible for free account, right?
Correct.
So for that, will it be charged anything like going forward, even though if
If it
we are
is
not
one
eligible?
month is over,
Mm-hmm.
if it is 1 month is over, your free credits of 13,000 plus will go off, which means you are landing into pay as you go option. That means it will be chargeable to you because you are giving a credit card provision. They will charge you as per your usage. Don't land it into that. Whatever it is, you take your time, create a new Azure account for free of cost, providing your credit card. If it is not working, put other credit card, other mobile, other mail ID. So that's how you need to manage. If it already created for some reason, it is you kept it on hold ice for some time, and then you're trying to access now. You'll
Mm-hmm.
go on to billable phase. I don't want to get
Oh.
struggle in that. If you are unexpectedly using a cluster, big cluster, high-end configuration cluster, 5,000, 6,000 amount also it will come as a bill charging for you. So if you have to very cleverly use when you're in pay as you go. So that's how you can save your amount. Otherwise, you'll end up paying some 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 also. Once I did it, I forgot actually. I I forgot to take out my credit card. Pay I was landing into this, and then it has charged for me. But you can ask if you raise a request, they will reverse you. Why you want to fall into
Mhm.
that criteria? They will reverse you to your. I mean, if you say accidentally I did it, If you shoot a mail to Microsoft Azure support people, they will reverse you.
Okay.
That has reversed to me as well. They'll not take just like that. Yeah. Yeah, UK South.
This pricing
Even,
tier, should I keep premium?
yeah, premium. Yeah.
Okay.
So enter a
Cool.
some default name.
Select something. Okay. Workspace.
Give some unique name. Any other doubts with regards to portal? Suraj, have you dropped off creating a new workspace with premium tier?
Yes, I'm creating that.
No, I'm asking. Oh, oh, Suraj is already practicing it. I think Ashok is supposed to ask. Ashok has created. He also landed into the same problem.
Is there any other options do I need to tick, or
No,
I'll go with
nothing,
it?
nothing, nothing. You can go ahead.
Okay.
The problem is choosing a standard account. It will take a lot of time. It will allow you to choose very low end cluster. It will never allow you to access your cluster. It will be very much slow. But if you use premium, all your points will go last very faster. Anybody wants to get dropped off, you can drop off. Recording will be given to you. If you want to go office, something. Okay.
This is deploying, I think.
Hmm.
Don't see
Let it
launch
get.
option.
We are seeing your Azure portal screen itself so far.
Yeah, I'm on the same screen. I think it's deploying
Yeah.
the new workspace.
We are not seeing that screen now. It is slower.
You're not seeing my screen?
No. Yeah, we are seeing your screen. It has got hung. We are in portal account itself now. Portal screen itself. Azure portal.
Yeah. I'm there only. I'm not doing anything.
Okay. Click on
I'm
click
waiting
on
to deploy
workspace.
my.
Actually, when it is deploying, right, it will show on top. You see, right, there is
Yeah.
notifications. There is settings option right hand side, top right. There you will see. Once it is completed, it's still running actually. It is getting refreshed. It is created now. Go to resource.
No, I think it's in
Oh, last one.
deployment
Oh, okay,
still.
okay. Last one was being shown there. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
I mean, meanwhile, you can delete other instances of Databricks.
Okay. How do I delete this? By opening
Go
it?
there. Go to Databricks. Type in the search box. Type Databricks. That also you can go, but I want you to see all the data. I mean, Databricks accounts you created one and. So if this is not required. No, you can delete
Okay.
this. First you delete this and then you can go.
That's
Type
fine.
Databricks.
So which one is new?
Click on data. Double. Just enter. Enter. Ashok, you were exploring it, right? Is it any go? Have you logged into the portal, created a cluster?
Venkat, I have not created up to cluster. I logged into the port and I have created the storage device, but not the remaining things. I have to do that one. I will do that. I will complete it by next
Later
class.
point. Oh, okay,
Yeah,
sure,
yeah.
sure. Then you may drop off, sir. It's nothing actually.
Okay
We are
then. Thank
going
you.
to
Yeah.
sort out the problems. No class today. Sort out the
Mm-hmm.
problems for each of us. Nothing else. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
yeah.
Okay. So I want to delete these two. So I have selected both of them.
No, no, don't. No. You need to go inside. Or else,
Okay.
one shot you want to delete. There is other option that is different. You click on the Suraj Kote, the last one, or which one, whichever you want to delete.
Yeah, yeah. Delete.
Yeah, delete. That's it. That also will take time.
Okay.
And delete other one also which we don't want. Always have a practice like this every day. So the one which you are looking for, right, is created or not? New workspace. That's one, right? Test 1, 2, 3.
Yes, yes, yes. This is deployed now.
Hmm.
Venkat sir, I am unable to delete the workspace.
No, no, it will
Databricks.
delete. It will. No, no, it will delete. It will delete. No, once you click on delete, it will take a lot of time, and refreshing also will take some time. Don't worry.
Yeah, it is showing failed. Delete Databricks failed.
Hmm. Let me share my screen. So what happens is, even you delete also.
Hmm.
This is what, right? So I'm into my home page now. I
Hmm.
wanted to see what are the resources I do have.
Hmm.
Okay. So wait, all services I wanted to see. All services. Suppose I wanted to go to Databricks. So here nothing is there available to me. Suppose I want to create one Databricks. Quickly I'll create this one. And instance name randomly I'm giving so that duplicate. UK South Premium I choose. Click on networking, encryption, revision create. Yeah, let it get create. I will show you. So
Hmm.
for me, as of now, no service is available. Everything has been deleted from my side. Nothing is
Hmm.
there. It's kept empty now.
Hmm.
So once it created, it will show. So when it is getting created, oh, whether it is created or not, nothing is being shown here.
Okay.
Databricks workspace. So workspaces create. Yeah, now it is creating. So once it created, I will show you deleting. So for your information, any service you have, if we create, it is not going to harm you. Only
Hmm.
point is that when you have created some cluster, you had created a notebook that is kept alone, right? Then only the problem will arise. Okay. So we'll see one till it get deployed. I will see. I will delete that. I mean, there is an option called read apply. Using read apply, you can be able to modify your settings actually.
Okay.
You asked me, right? You want to change the configuration to region to something else. Yes. So this is a Databricks workspace I am trying to create. Suraj, any luck for you? Is it created?
Yes. Databricks is created.
Okay. Yeah, please share your screen.
Okay, sir. I think now it is deleted.
It's tilted. Yeah, it will take some time. It will take some time. Although it says they will double check and delete actually.
Now I can see more options over here, which were not there earlier.
Yeah. Premium only will allow. Try to create a cluster now.
With default setting?
No. Choose the lowest one, sir, because all the crates will go so easily.
Okay.
Single mode. Yeah, single mode is fine. One user only running, right?
So, sir, I should change the region
Yes.
now, right? West US,
He has chosen UK South now.
UK South. Okay.
Yeah, he has chosen UK South.
And the pricing tier will be premium.
Yeah, premium.
Okay.
Try to put above. General purpose only you choose. General purpose. Choose general purpose. Yeah. V5 is fine. Yeah. Select that and yeah.
It's creating.
It's still running. Cluster is starting.
It's starting.
Yeah. Is it started?
No, it's still running.
It will run. Don't worry. Let's go to a notebook. New notebook. Try go to connect option and see the cluster is started.
Still running.
Okay. Frankly speaking, this much time it will not take. There are two types of clusters, general purpose clusters and job clusters. Job clusters are for rigorous use. Multiple jobs will be scheduled with high-end configuration. We choose a general purpose cluster like ad hoc basis. We want to run and shut down them. So that's the difference.
It's I think it's done.
It is, yeah, it's created, right? Yeah, now good to go with the options. Yeah, it's created. Actually, standard also it will work, but you need to choose wisely. V4 you need to choose, but UK South
Yeah,
only
it's
V4 is
connected.
available. Yeah, later point you create another workspace. Yeah, it's connected. What I'm saying is standard itself you can use because less cost compared to this one.
Okay.
It's created, right? Okay, now you can run the command.
Okay. Command again. This system to this one.
Yeah. So before doing that, you need to make your storage account accessible from Databricks. One setting you need to enable, I will show you.
Yeah.
So actually, all these things in real time, it will be taken care by your platform team itself, but we are enabling it for our sake. So I'll give a link to you. So here, go to storage accounts. Yeah, one second, one second. Storage accounts, you need to enable the soft deletes for blobs. So what you need to do is go to data protection. Data protection. You see data protection, right?
Where is it? Data
So
management
or else,
security network.
yeah, I can't say it is blurred actually.
Data protection. Yes, here it is.
Data protection is the right. Yeah, just click on that. Some settings you need to enable so that only Databricks is able to connect actually. Yeah, click on it. So soft delete. So delete, copy, all those operations you need to enable it actually for your storage account. You uncheck them. Enable soft delete. Uncheck. The other one also. You uncheck the other one also. Yeah, now you save your settings. Down, you see anything? See, actually, why we need to do this, right? In real time, when storage account been created by your team, right? It will not allow soft delete. That means just like that, without proper permission, someone cannot overwrite the file, delete the file. They cannot delete the file. Something and all those operations will be maintained. So if you have that checkbox, so for making connectivity, you need to enable those options. Even if you don't do this, Databricks will show you error message for you. So you need to make these settings proper for you. I have given this link to you. Oh, okay. Why this has to be enabled? Where it has to be enabled? I'll give a link. I have given all the link already yesterday's class itself, yesterday's mail. Now it is deleted, right? Okay. Copy code has been properly copied. So storage account is properly kept. Azure account key storage.
This is Okay, here also I have storage account, so I can copy both from here.
If it is not working, take the second key 2. Sometime session will get
I'll
expired.
try
Yeah, true.
this one. I'll run it,
Run
right?
it. Yeah, run it. Yeah.
I think it's done. It's
Yeah,
showing
it's the
green
connection
tick.
has been established now. Now we are going to read the data from it, the circuit file, right? We are going to read it. For reading, I have given other command, or else you can type it. I will tell you. Some data frame we need to store, or else you can copy there. It will take, if it is taking time. Reading the file. Go to email. Yeah. Spark.read.format, CSV format, and option we are telling header it is there or not. We are telling it header it is present. We are confirming, and then load, and we are making the path. Path is designed such a way ABFSS you need to use : // Okay, stop there. Now source training is your container @storage account container name you need to replace there. This read format is everywhere common. Wherever you go, spark.read.format of file format .load, and the path which should start with ABFSS : container name @storage account, and then / exact folder where you wanted to access. You need to remember this pattern actually. This is what called PySpark. Why we are reading through PySpark? Why can't we read through SQL? Yes, we have to read through Spark only. Okay. Only for reading. Once you read the data and keep it in the cache memory within this notebook, we are going to write our SQLs. For reading, we use Spark. Once we read and keep the circuit files data in the cache memory, we can execute our SQLs ad hoc basis. Just run. Yeah. Run it. No problem. Any errors we will handle. Yeah. My storage account. So what it says?
Venkat, we can't do it same cell. We need to do it. We need to add different cells for reading and
No.
connecting to the
Same
cluster
cell
and
also you
all.
can do. No, same cell also you can do. Same command. Yeah.
Okay.
We call it as like cell or block. You can keep it in same block itself. No problem. So what it says?
Okay.
What is the error message?
Okay.
Path does not exist.
Path is not exist. Okay. See the mistake. What it did is circuits. You had put the circuit, right? These circuits
Yes.
container afterwards directly you are keeping file, but you kept a folder. No, my folder something you have kept. That is what is mistake.
Yes.
Before circuits, after / and write .NET after / my files.
My files. So
Yeah.
where?
System is not able to access your exact folder. My file / circuit you need to keep.
Where after
After
container?
.NET, after .NET.
Okay. Yeah.
See, container storage you are telling till .NET is common. Afterwards, file and subfolder, any folders you want. Okay, you can keep. Finally, you can keep files in file name. Keeping file name is not mandatory for your information. Okay. If you have
Okay.
only one file, it will automatically read. If you have multiple CSV files, since you mentioned the format as CSV, all the files it will read. Okay. So fetching the result. Your screen is stuck. Yeah. Please go down, sir. So there is a display command. See, I am reading a file through the path. The path contains storage account and container and folder and file name, everything. I am reading it. I am storing in a temporary data frame. The data frame name is df_ade. I am trying to display it. If I don't put display, I will not see the data. So the circuit file, whatever the data it contains it with headers, has been displayed here. The next step is create a view on top of it. We have only Suraj, Mutyala, Vishal, Yogesh. Ashok has dropped out. Okay. It is fine for you guys, right? We are no still continuing the class.
Yeah. Venkat, I have one doubt actually.
Yeah, Vishal. One
Let me
second,
share my
Vishal.
screen.
I will guide him. One second, Vishal. See, Suraj,
Yep.
Suraj.
Yes.
Now you need to create a view. What is a view? That view, once you create, you are going to store all your data in a cache memory. It's like a view you are creating. On top of that, you are going to write your SQL queries. So for that, you go to your Gmail. I already given a command to you. You can execute it. The next,
Yeah. This one.
creating a view. Yeah. The view name, I'm changing it to SQL. Something else, you can keep your df_ade_view. It's all up to your convenience, okay? Naming can be anything of your choice. So once you create a view, directly you can write your select statement, select star from employees where location equal to Hyderabad. You can play around after creating the view. You are clear, right? You're able to follow, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'll go ahead with Vishal. Vishal, tell me please.
Yeah. I had created multiple accounts. I don't know like whether those are like active or not now. I just want to understand like so how
Uh-huh.
can I check that whether it's like
Create one Gmail account. Clear, very clear. Fresh Gmail account. Try to
let
access
me
it
share my
with the.
screen.
Yeah, sure,
Yeah,
sure.
let
Yeah.
me share. Okay, I cannot able to share. Can you
Yeah,
make me
you are not.
presenter?
Yeah. I'm making you presenter. Yeah, sure, sure.
I'll stop sharing.
Yeah, sure, sir. You proceed with writing sequels.
Yeah. Yeah.
Since you created view, it'll you choose SQL as next time around, Suraj, in a separate
Yes.
shell.
Yes.
You choose SQL as a mode of query, and then
Right.
you
Right.
try select star from df_ SQL or df_ Suraj, whatever the view name you given. Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. I don't know why. I mean, I think it's self-checked that option. I mean, selected it. I don't know how. I don't remember. I selected it. It's like from Python to SQL. As I started writing the SQL queries, it directly took the SQL. Or
Okay.
maybe I have done it. Just don't know. Yeah, I'll try.
Yeah. So you can keep trying SQL if you are as much as you are comfortable. I will try. I mean, I will show. I'm not going to spend much time SQL because we are all working professionals. I'm believing we can be able to catch within the class. On regular basis, I'm not going to spend this much time to give hands on unless you stop me and if you ask me some doubt. Okay. For today, it's a beginning for you, all of you to understand. That's why I'm helping you more and more. Okay. So yeah. Next
Yeah.
time around, Suraj, I one suggestion to you: create a Databricks account, choosing UK South, choosing standard, standard
Uh-huh.
as tier, and go for
Okay.
cluster creation with a
Mhm.
different versions. Try to give standard
Okay.
exactly where I see current standards v4 should support v4. No type should be v4.
Okay.
It should support. Choose that and try to go for it. It will work actually. Single user always you choose. Okay, I will tell you if you
Okay.
want the exact it is working. I'll give a try from my end. I will give it to you tomorrow. So
Sure.
but you can also give it a try. It will best experience to you. So it is not recommended to use
Yes.
this premium. It will eat your all your credits. I do have my own
Yeah.
credits. I always get it from Microsoft directly. I have no issues. For you, it is a problem. Okay. Yeah. Vishal, sorry. You can share
Yeah.
your
Yeah.
screen now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. So
Okay.
I created these two accounts.
Okay.
Venkat. These two
Mm,
accounts I had created. So I tried doing this. So you to start the free version. It has taken my account details, but still it's asking the again. So I'm not sure whether it's correctly created or
oh,
like,
you went into that level. Yeah.
yeah, this was
This
already
card
done
alone.
actually.
Uh, this
It's
card
it's
alone you hide
given
it. Rest
already.
all.
Yeah, it's already given and then it's still
Again you give.
asking. And
Again you give.
again, should I give?
Yeah. No,
Because
no.
I'll just,
In the same screen, you try to give.
yeah, yeah, just a minute. I'll just show you. It's already added. So
Mm-hmm.
I want to show you that.
Ah, sure, sure. No, 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 no. Vishal,
Mm-hmm.
just
Mm-hmm.
give there.
It's
No
already,
problem. Remove the card. You have any other
it's not,
card?
you only have this.
You want my credit card?
I don't have credit card.
No, no.
It's
Debit card, it
unable.
will not work. No, it will not work.
Oh,
Credit card only
it
will
will
work.
not.
No,
Okay. How about
credit card only
the
work. Yeah.
billing to this? Like any billing will be happening to this card?
Billing will happen post to 1 month.
Okay.
That too, a
But
mail
it's,
will trigger to you. It will ask you.
mhm,
It will ask
mhm.
you to give, your consent whether they can go into pay as you go mode. That means they clearly mention your trial period of 1 month is over. You now
Mhm.
onwards, if you want to use, you need to give your billing detail, your consent to make the billing started. That kind of mail will come to you. Then and then you approve only they will start it. Okay.
Okay. If I want to check like this Azure account, right,
Uh,
Venkat? So like
uh-huh.
the like can I go with the subscription and check over there or something like that?
Yes, you can check. Yeah, your billing can be checked over there.
Okay, let me check to this.
See, whatever you do, it is not going to work without the credit card. I'm telling you for sure.
Okay.
But it is my assurance, nothing going to be
Uh-huh.
charged unless you landed after 1 month into pay as you go mode. Even if you leave it blank, if you forget also, nothing is going to
Hmm.
happen.
Okay.
They
Because I
charge only 1 rupee just for the confirmation, and it will show.
Yeah, because why I'm asking, because I had created multiple accounts. It was not totally created though, but because I used the debit card, so
Nowhere, no, no.
maybe.
If you use debit card, they will not accept it at all.
Hmm.
Credit card is the only way.
Okay, okay. But it
Wherever you
detected
save
from my
your,
account.
yeah.
I don't know.
Uh, sorry,
It detected from my account. I don't know, like
one rupee,
whether they
one
have
rupee.
accepted. Yeah, 2 rupees or something they had
They
detected.
will reverse it tomorrow.
Maybe.
They will
Okay.
reverse it tomorrow. Yeah.
I mean, I'm not sure whether they accepted it or not, so I'm asking you.
Uh-huh.
That's fine. I'll
Uh-huh.
try with the credit card and
See,
I'll let you know.
sure,
Yeah.
sure. Yeah, credit card you try. If it is not working, what you need to do is there is something
Mm-hmm.
called help option. There is
Mm-hmm.
something called help option. If you give a request, right, they'll solve it actually. You can send a mail also to them. That facility
Okay.
is there. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Mhm.
Even
I have
they
an
charge it as
last doubt before.
yeah, 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 Suraj.
Let me share my screen.
Yes.
Actually, I was trying the last option.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
Is it visible?
Yes. Yes, it is visible.
So I tried to run this one using Spark SQL, put in here Python,
Okay.
but
Okay.
I'm getting this.
What should you do? What should you do? Yeah, Spark SQL. Yeah. Location equal to spa. What is spa? Ah, SPA. Oh, you're trying to
That
put
is the value.
okay. What you need to do is put it in a data frame equal to. So enter this sequence, df equal to spark.sql. Try to put some df equal to or storage equal to. You need to keep it in a data frame. It is working good. Now again df equal df storage, run. Okay,
Yeah, I think
so
now it's
df
working.
display of storage.
So how do we get to the next line? I am trying to find
Just
it.
enter.
It's getting to the next.
Enter.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I clicked something else.
Control enter, it will run actually. You don't need to click on play button. Control enter.